just got back from a trial run that did not go very well. I mean, I kind of forgot to bring drinking water. I didn't bring enough batteries for the cameras, which explains why this is about half of the trial run.
So, I don't need this.
What? That is crazy. This is how the universe works.
Alright, whatever. You ate, didn't you? Andrew gave you food. You didn't starve. What's the deal? But I am glad we went out there because it did reveal a lot of areas that needed a lot of attention. Like, a lot of attention. Anyways, here, just check it out for yourself. But before that, I'd like for you guys to check out our other videos, and also the links for all the stuff that I have in video is in the description below. Whatever. Here. Got my breakfast for tomorrow, along with this. Some milk for the protein. For the oatmeal. Got some eggs going on. Please don't be cracked. Yes. Oh God. I'm getting plates and eating utensils. A little mess kit. Let's see. What else do we need? Tonight's dinner. Some essential hydration. Essential hydration. Just kidding. I don't drink. Oh, rice. No rice, no life, right? No rice, no life, right? Kill the environment. Okay, cool. Got my breakfast and tonight's dinner. And I'm checking out at 11, so I don't need to worry about lunch. Food, check. How are we gonna cook the food? With this little bad boy right here. Ta-da! It's a 12-volt pot thing. Hopefully I can make some rice and chicken with this. And yeah, let's see what else we need. Oh, Stammy. Oh God, Stammy's food. What do you want to eat, bud? Actually, we'll bring this. This should be enough. Cool. Food, check. Now, in terms of what we're gonna sleep in tonight. Yoink. There's my 6-inch memory foam mattress. Camping blanket. Pillows. I don't believe in such a thing as a camping pillow. Compressible blanket. Sure. Compressible pillow. That's a little too much. You know that's not gonna be comfortable. A change of clothes. One pair of underwear. Shorts. And this is why I always buy workout shorts with an inner lining in them, because they double as underwear. See how I don't have to waste 2 sets of underwear? Shirt, whatever. Towel. Okay, shower, done. Oh right, hygiene. Toothbrush, toothpaste. These are like bare essentials, yeah. Just gotta bring some shampoo and whatever, and we'll call it a night. Shampoo, conditioner. Give me a little grocery bag. Call it a day. All right, that's the essentials right there. Oh wait, what is this? Oh, now the campsite does have a shower, but we are living as if there are none today. So there's a little privacy tent where I'm going to shower in. And how am I gonna shower, you may ask? This is really what I've been waiting to use for a very long time now. It's a rinse kit! $250 for this pressurized washer that allows you to heat up your water. Only downfall is the fact that it only holds about 2 gallons. So we are absolutely doing some military showers out there. Quick rinse, lather, rinse. You gotta get a kick out of this. But I've thought about it all. Now, we're not animals, alright? So, for your other business that you do inside the privacy tent, we have this. It also doubles as like a relatively stable and decent chair. Look. If you needed a chair, I will give you this. This is probably the last time I'll do this because it's gonna be sat on and poop going through it after this. That was really easy. I don't know why I waited so long. It's a lot better. Alright, time to finally move this big, not ITCH. Alright, I'll see you guys in 6 months. You have a key? Yeah. Okay, because I don't have anything. Wait, I don't have a key. Alright. It's not heavy, it's just cumbersome. It's not pivot! Pivot! Oh, perfect, thank God. Put it on for it? putting my whole life in here. It's better hold in the wind. I love this because you can actually open this from either side. Either side. Hello? Oh, okay. Is that as far as it goes? I guess so. Alright, this is what holds on to the rail on my car. On the roof rack. Oh, the key won't even come out until wow. I guess that's an okay design, this way you don't lose your key.
I don't know what the fuck I'm supposed to do.
I don't know what to do with this either. Oh, this okay, so okay, I get it. So this opens up, and then this goes. Yeah. Well, that don't look too bad. Damn, look at my car with the roof rack on it. Look at that. Let me see this. Oh, this is definitely a thumbnail right here.
Tighten it?
Huh? Yeah, let me.
Yeah. Fix your side.
Okay.
Probably gonna have to like stand.
Actually, I know exactly what I gotta do.
Oh.
I'm not the tallest person around here, so I bust out to a trusty stool. Actually, I feel I could have. I think I easily could. Yeah, I think I could just.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
I'm a little extra. I'll admit that. Ah, dude, it's locked from this side.
You want to check from the front, see if it's centered? Like that's true.
I think it looks good.
Really?
I should move. I should pull it towards you a little bit. Yeah,
way?
pull it towards you.
That's pretty easy. To
Pretty easy,
install.
right?
This is pretty genius. Like the clips and this.
Yeah, you want to tighten it in front of me and show them how it's done?
Yeah.
All right, it's as
Twist.
easy as that. Oh, so only way to get this key out is for that to lock first. Oh wait, we clamped it down, so we can't lift it. Damn, I'm an idiot. So I love this box because it opens from both sides. Typically it's open from one. Yours in?
Yeah. Can I tighten it now? Or?
Let me see if it's censored again. Wait. Keep pushing this way.
That way?
You gotta say, yeah, she ain't going nowhere. She ain't going nowhere. That's not too bad. Let's see. But I gotta change it how high this goes up.
Still good. Right there. Stop.
Okay, that's not bad. I'm okay with this. I mean, it'd be nice if it goes
That's
up.
how much clear do you have? Like an inch maybe?
Cool. Now, the reason why I did this is because now you can hold down this right here. Come check this out. Just hold this button right here until you hear ding. And that's where it's always going to be. Let's give it a test though.
I got one for a second.
Keep this on there for your advertisement. Psych, I'm even getting rid of this. What brand is that? I don't know. They never paid me. I might know though if they ever sent me a sponsorship. Okay, that's that. Now I can load that thing up with anything we want. Should I bring the beach chairs? I was actually gonna use that for all like camping stuff anyway, so let's see if I can throw it up there. I bought that 6-gallon jug. I'm gonna put it right here instead. That's kind of big. You think it'll fit?
When I think, when I see that, I think of like the Marine Corps.
I
Like,
think it's big too,
Yeah.
but I measured the dimensions of that and this, and apparently it's supposed to fit. But we'll find out. Do you think I should keep this? It's like an instant crate. I think it'll come in handy in cases.
Yeah.
Like, you know, I gotta gather firewood or something like that. You know, I'm not.
especially because you could like put it away really easy.
Alright, guess that's staying in there. Oh, my first aid kit.
Is that a narwhal?
Ooh, the zipper on this sucks. I'll be dead by the time I reach the zipper in here. Pretty much just the essentials. Ibuprofen, pain relief, sleep aid.
You got boot socks in there?
You got boot socks in here?
That'd be funny if you opened it up. It's boot
Just
socks,
motion.
ibuprofen.
Yeah, otherwise, oh, good. Oh my god, this is actually Rose. I can't believe this. Rose, what have they done to you? You look pretty cool though. Not gonna lie, you look really cool with that box on. Alright, let's go. Yeah, better tripod. I don't like this locking function. Don't forget our water. Ooh, my slippers. You were gonna let me leave without slippers? Oh my gosh, those nets are having a field day in that sink. Yeah.
Because your sink, you need to throw a lemon in there and some ice. It stinks.
It's not that stink, it just has like food in there. Wow, that's a lot of stuff. And I still have the bed. Oh wait, most of the stuff's going on top anyways. Alright, so right now we are loading up Rose with a bunch of stuff to include the rinse kit, some of the cooking. This is almost everything we have except for the bed. Yeah, this trial run should be fun. Stimmy, where you going? Yeah, that's it. Oh, I have no bags. I'm gonna have to just dig a hole. Oh, the E-tool. Dang, I forgot about the E-tool. That's a shovel, by the way. Where is the contents going to that gonna land on? Stimmy, leave it. What are you doing? You can't get mail. You're a dog. Thank you. Oh, God. It's coming in hot. Okay, first things first. Let's see if this fits. I bought this based off the dimensions that I got online about the front, although I easily could have measured myself. Time for the moment of truth. Please fit. This is the only place where Stimmy, leave it. Stimmy, come. Stimmy, come here. Here is the moment of truth. 6 gallons of water, our only source of water for this entire trip. And it fits! Let's go! That felt great. Yes, we have water, people. Wait a second, hold up. Did I just really win like that? I think I really just won, because if I can put it like this, and I can close it, I got all that space back. I don't gotta lay it down like that. But yeah, maybe if I can put it like, oh wait. Put a lot of stuff back where it was. Yes. And a crate can go back. I would even say the perfect. Oh my god. That was great. Look at that, guys. I have water. 6 gallons of it anywhere I go from now on. Fit. And it fits. Let's go. For the hard part of fitting all this stuff up there. Alright, looks like I'm dropping these seats. That did not sound good. Yeah, that ripped. Alright, so for the most part, Stimmy is going to be sitting up front with me, so I'm just gonna undo all of it, actually. This probably be where, I don't know, Mother Nature come calling. I don't got time to, finagle this, finagle that, try to get this out. So it's going up top. Or, why can't I just go down here? Space is a luxury in this type of endeavor. And all this stuff can go up top. Rinse kit can go, actually, rinse kit. Stimmy! Stimmy, let's go. Stimmy's bed, blankets. The fact that a lot of things are fitting in here right now making me feel like I did not have to spend $800 on this box. Oh, hey, come on over here, guys. Alright, we've come to the part of packing up some food. And this is the cool part right here. Ta-da! We have a cooler. Bunch of stuff in it, and it's running, so it should be cold already. It's freezing in here. It is freezing here, perfect. So, utensils don't need to be in there. Let's save space where we can. Rice don't need to be in there. Eggs, milk. Actually, why don't you bring the camera in a little closer? I can show you guys how much I can fit in here. So I have a 12-pack of eggs in here, a couple water bottles in here already. A lot of Tetrising going on, but I think I can pull it off. Half a gallon of milk fits right in there. Here's some seasoned chicken. Boom, for dinner tonight. Wow, so I got my eggs, chicken, some milk. I can probably even throw in a salad if I need to. Still got space for sparkling water. Wow, perfect. Perfect. And I still got space on the side here, so if I really need to, I really could throw my eating utensils right here. Hey, where's my oatmeal? Ah, whatever. I'll just throw the rest in here. It doesn't really matter. Just like that. Food solution. Finito. The sink, which again I think just fit. Hay bar, very essential. Just getting thrown in there. Stimmies, Stimmy's. Mine. Nothing on there. Okay, now this is where the fridge is being powered up by. We have a 12 volt right here with a super long cable that extends into the well. Let's see, that's just about it. Just gotta bring the mattress down here and we're good. The top, this can go right here. I feel like I'm moving out. Yeah, just got the mattress in there and we're good. Down. Grab the mattress. That's it. Off for our little trial run. Okay. Let's get out of here. Alright. And we are off to the campsite. Currently we are driving down to Fiddler's Cove. Still in San Diego, but like I said, today's just a trial. Wow, my whole roof is gone. Well, my whole view is gone. Dang. Well, there's gonna be life for the next 6 months. It's okay, it provides a little bit of shade. I'm okay with that. Oh, this is gonna be the first time driving with a cargo box on top of my car, so I'm gonna have to adjust because my center of gravity just got a little higher. Here's one little thing I'm already feeling about the car. I've loaded up with about just about 100 pounds extra, but I can already feel like the regenerative braking is not as strong because there's a little bit more weight in here. All right, and we've officially made it. Stimmy, come. Where's your leash at? Oh, it's in the back. So I'm gonna cut it right there because mid-edit, this got even long for me. So I'm gonna split this into 2 parts, which I can hopefully drop by today, hopefully. And if you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. You will not be getting those 16 minutes back. But stay tuned for part 2 where we'll actually live out the Tesla. Thanks for watching.